Hey guys, today's video is going to be a golden queen makeup look. I was feeling extra, and I mean, who doesn't love a queen, you know? So I'm pretty much going to show you how to do this super extra glowy gold queen look. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into this. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my skin just to prep it for the makeup we're going to put on top, and then while that soaks in, I'm going to go ahead and fill my brows. I'm just going to make them very strong and bold just to get that very bold queen look. Now I'm going in and concealing my lid to prep for shadow. I'm just going to blend that out and then also apply powder over top so my shadows don't crease and they blend way easier. Going in with a light brown to act as a transition shade, and then right after I'm going to be going in with a little bit of a darker brown just to define my crease before applying my lid shade. I also used a little bit of a yellow shadow just to blend those two shades together a little bit more seamlessly. Now taking my finger, I'm using a very pigmented gold shadow and I'm applying that all over my lid and blending it out all the way to the edge of my eye where I have the tape, and the tape is just there to create a very, very sharp line. Now I'm going in with that darker brown and I'm basically creating a cut crease with this. I'm taking a very tiny brush and drawing a little bit above my crease so you can really see it. And now I'm just blending that out a little bit. Next I'm going to be going in with a gold glittery eyeliner and drawing a line right below the brown line just to add a very fun sparkly crease. Onto my face, and I'm applying some foundation to even out my skin and just give a nice base for the rest of my makeup. Also added a little bit of oil just to make this look not too matte. I'm just blending that out with a beauty sponge, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit more just to give a bit more full coverage. Applying concealer under my eyes to cover my dark circles, as well as highlight, and on my nose, my forehead, and my chin to highlight as well. Now I'm just taking some powder and baking everywhere where I highlighted. And now I'm going in with this gold liquid highlighter and I'm putting it across my whole forehead, like my hairline, as well as down the sides of my face, which you'll see in a minute. And I'm using this as a base for the fun gold we're going to be adding later. Now I'm just brushing away all of the powder and just spreading it around the rest of my face just to set the foundation. And I'm just going in now with the same gold shadow on my lower lash line, and then taking that dark brown again, and I'm connecting my lower lash line to the very top of the crease, and I'm just creating kind of like a cat eye effect with this. Now I'm just bronzing to give my skin a little bit of color because I am looking pretty pale right now. Just a little bit of bronzer, and then I'm going to go in with a more taupey shade and contour my cheeks. And now I am just taking powder and baking under my contour to get a really sharp, precise line. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of blush to add some color to my cheeks. And now I'm just adding that same liquid highlighter to my cheekbones, and I'm just blending that out with my finger. And then I'm also going to go in on top of it with a gold powder highlight. Not be shy with this, we are going for that crazy gold in your face queen. So now I actually just went ahead and put some falsies on. I did it off camera because it takes me like 3 years, and then I applied some mascara, and I'm also applying some to my lower lashes. And now I'm applying some glitter glue and this really cool like gold leaf. Make sure you're using like skin safe for this part, and it was a little bit hard, but if you just take your time, it gets easier. And I'm just using my finger to just kind of dot it on my face and spread it out, and I'm applying this on top of all of the spots we put the gold highlight. Now I'm taking a liquid liner, which I ended up going over because it just was not gold enough. I'm applying it right where I would highlight my brow bone. I'm actually going now in with the gold shadow and really making it stand out. Now I'm doing the same thing just to the inner corner, applying that same gold shadow and then a little bit of the gold glitter liner. This part cut out a little bit, sorry about that. I'm just applying a really natural like nudie pink color to my lips, and then I'm going to go over with a gold lip topper to really finish off this look. So that is the completed look, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I felt like a queen. I literally would wear this makeup look every day. I loved it so much. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.